Welcome to Epodex. Epodex is one of the world's leading suppliers of resins, paints, microcement and other building materials. Started as a mid-sized German company, we now have locations in Europe, Asia and the US. Our head office and production center are located in North Rhine-Westphalia, one of the most important and centrally located business districts in Europe. Currently, we have more than 150 employees around the world and warehouse and production areas of more than 25,000 square meters. Our international presence allows us to always supply our customers quickly and reliably. All our products are produced in state-of-the-art production centers, filled in user-friendly containers and always subjected to strict quality controls. As a modern company, we are fully committed to digitalization and mechanization, not only in marketing and sales, but also in production. This allows us to achieve potential savings of up to 50% compared to our competitors, which we are happy to pass to our customers in the form of cheaper prices, so that our customers also remain competitive and one step ahead of their competitors. Thanks to our B2B shop and online direct sales, we offer our customers an easy platform to shop 24/7 and receive professional advice whenever they may need it. Our support team is always available for face-to-face advice via video calls. Our online platform is designed to provide easy access to all informations, products, pricing, services from anywhere and at any time. This also ensures efficient fulfillment, which offers maximum transparency. All important documents, such as invoices, can be accessed online at any time, which makes administrative tasks easier and faster. Special terms and conditions are stored in our database for each customer, allowing our customers to make purchases at any time without having to go through our sales department. In addition, we provide marketing support to business partners with whom we maintain a long-term relationship. This can take the form of advertising and marketing or access to our library, which contains images, videos and catalogs. The fact that we are digitally positioned had made it easier for us to push ahead with globalization. With our location in Florida, we were able to quickly win over the American markets. We will always continue to conquer new markets so that Epodex products will be available all over the world.